Roofing is expensive, but did you know that the most expensive roof you'll ever buy is the one you have to repair or replace early? Hey everybody, I'm Dallas with First American Roofing and Siding, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about cheap roofing. The most common things we see when you're trying to cut costs in roofing are labor. You can save some money by having inexperienced roofing crews do the work. You can cut costs by paying the crews in a timely basis where they're rushing through the work to get it done fast. They have to cut corners and able to do it quicker. One of the most common things that we see is high nailing. You wouldn't think it'd be very difficult to nail a shingle on, would you? Well, we see it all the time. A roof that's 8, 9, 10 years old, the shingles are sliding down, they think it's wind damage, and we go out there and find out that it just wasn't put on properly. It's kind of scary too, because a lot of times insurance companies say that's improper installation. It's not going to be covered under your homeowner's policy. It's not wind damage, it just wasn't put on right. The other thing you can save money on is materials, right? The shingles themselves, there's a wide variety of shingles available on the marketplace, from least expensive to most expensive, and you can save money by going with the cheap material. But you've heard the saying before, you get what you pay for. The same thing goes for all the other components on the roof. The underlayments, the ridge vent. We like to use system components here so that they're designed to all work continuously together as a system. The other thing that's very common that we see is just cutting out certain things. Reusing drip edge, that's a big no-no. Reusing flashing. Probably the scariest thing you could do is have a new roof put on and you don't replace the roof to wall flashing. If water's going to get in, it's going to come around where your flashings are, where your chimney meets the roof, where the siding meets the roof. That's your flashing. Very vital you do that. Why guys don't do it? It beats me, but a lot of times it just saves time. You don't have to pull the siding off to replace the flashing. You don't have to cut into the brick with a diamond blade or diamond bit saw to put the chimney flashing in. Some other things to look for, when you're getting some roofing estimates, if a contractor says, you go ahead, you pull the permit. Well, big red flag. What that's telling you is that they probably don't have a license in your area to pull a permit, which means if they don't have a license, they probably don't know how to put the products on right, and that should be a big red flag to you. So I just want to talk to you a little bit about cheap roofing, what to look for. Feel free to stop by our website, check out some more information. It's firstamericanroofing.com. Again, I'm Dallas Warner with First American Roofing and Siding. Thanks for stopping by.